tell you the second misconception about our life. What is the second misconception of our life? That follow me, we are not changers.
We are not changers.
We are not changers.
We are not changers.
We are acceptors.
We are acceptors.
We are acceptors.
We are acceptors.
We are always thinking that I can change this, I can change that, I can change him, I can change her, I can bring some changes in my organization, I can bring some changes in this world, I can bring some changes in this company, I can bring some changes. I just want to tell you, my friends, you cannot bring changes. You cannot bring changes. You can accept the changes. You can accept the changes. We cannot bring the changes. And this is the root of the unhappiness. We think that, yeah, I can bring the change in my son. And then we start telling him, live with the discipline, study better, read this, write this, listen to him, listen to that. And then what happens? After some years, that son does not remain your son, and he starts behaving badly, and then you start thinking that, oh, I have lived my life for my son, but nowadays my son is not listening to me. Why? Because you have thought yourself that you can bring the changes. You can bring the changes. You are in your family and you are always telling your husband, please change the job, please change the job. You have just 50,000 rupees. You have just 50,000 rupees. Now go for 60,000. Now go for 70,000. Now go for 80,000. And then what happens? When he had 50,000 rupees salary, he was giving you every day 2 to 3 hours for your family. And afterwards, when he gets the job of 90,000 rupees, then what happens? Then he doesn't give any time to your family, and then you start telling him, nowadays you don't have time for family, nowadays you don't have time for me, you don't have time for the kids, I have to do everything, I have to do everything, I have to do everything. It means you want to bring the changes in your husband, you want to bring the changes in the job, you want to bring the changes in your circumstances, everywhere you want to bring the changes. Now, I just want to tell you, you cannot bring the changes in the world, and this is the right concept. Told me, has anybody brought the changes in the world? They have just followed the system. They have just followed the system. So you can bring the changes in the world. But if you think that you only can bring the changes, then that is the misconception. If you think that I can just help the system to get the changes, then only you can bring the changes. Otherwise, you cannot bring the changes. So what you can do one thing, that is you can accept the changes. I just want to tell you one thing. If you have brought one change in your company and you brought one big machinery of 1 crore rupees in your company, and that machinery started giving you a lot of money for 4 years and 5 years. But after 5 years, some modern machineries came into the market and that machinery stopped working. Then you started losing your money. Then what you think? You think that, oh, I am in loss. I just want to tell you that if you had thought, when you brought the changes, then if you had thought, yes, this is the change the world needs. This is the change the society needs. But I did not bring the change. I just helped the I just have to bring the change. Then you would not have got overexcitement. You would not have got overexcitement, and then you would be happy when you brought the changes in the life, and you would be happy when you lost the changes in the life. See, when the changes bring happiness, then we are very happy. But when the changes bring failure, then we become sad. Then we become sad. We want to marry our daughter. We want to marry our daughter to a beautiful person. To a beautiful person, it means beautiful brain person. Handsome physique person. And we do everything for her. We fetch more than 100, 200 boys, and then we select one person for our daughter. And after marriage, it means what? We have got the beautiful change. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes.
But after marriage, when we came to know that beautiful change is not beautiful, it is ugly, then we become unhappy. Then we become unhappy. So I just want to tell you that when you create some changes, please do not attach yourself with that change. And when you destroy that change, please do not get attached with that change. Understand, everybody? Yes or no?
Yes.
Are we changers? Are we changers?
No.
No, we are not changers. Are we changers?
No,
We are not changers. Follow me. We are not changers.
We are not changers.
We are not changers.
We are not changers.
We are acceptors.
We are acceptors.
We are acceptors.
We are acceptors.
We are not changers.
We are not changers.
We are acceptors.
We are acceptors.
We cannot change anything.
We cannot change anything.
We can accept the changes.
We can accept the
We
changes.
cannot grow the tree.
We cannot grow the tree.
We can accept the changes of the tree.
We can accept the changes of the tree.
We cannot make the people happy.
We cannot make the people
We
happy.
can accept the changes of the happiness.
We can accept the changes of
We
happiness.
cannot make the people nervous.
We cannot make the people nervous.
We can accept the changes of the nervousness.
We can accept the changes of the nervousness.
We cannot make the people fluent.
We cannot make the people fluent.
We can accept the changes of the fluency.
We can accept the changes of the fluency.
Right? Understood, everybody?